How to delete Tumblr account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete Tumblr account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to tumblr.com and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to your left hand side and there you will see this menu bar. From here you have to click on settings. Once you land on your settings page, if you scroll all the way to the end, there you will find this delete account option. Now in order to delete your account, click on delete account. Now before you delete your account, you have to confirm by entering your email and your password. So type in your email. Under that, you have to enter your password associated with your account. Once you're done, all you have to do is click on delete everything. After that, you will delete your whole account and you will lose access to everything, all of your blogs, your original posts, themes, and your messages and likes. So that's how you can delete your Tumblr account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.